Good medical morning. This is Watson, your Prince of Popping. While other websites are discussing their end-of-the-year awards, we're bringing you the best pimples, pops, and cysts of all time. Of course, out of respect for the OPs, I'll put links to the full videos in the description below. First, let's check out the most popular ingrown hair video of all time. Again, there's a link to the full video below. Next, with over 42 million views, check out Josefa Reina's most popular video. And for you fans of the Toe Bro, here is his most popular video of all time. It has over 15 million views. Lone Nguyen's spa videos are getting quite popular. Here's a look at their most popular pop. It has about 8 million views. Dr. Sandra Lee's dilated pore hit over 40 million views. I'll only show you still images of the removal because some of our fans are extremely protective of our content, so please click the link below to see more. Dr. Derm is a rising star in the dermatology world. This blackhead extraction is his most popular video. And this scalp bump represents the most popular video from the doctors. Make sure to watch the entire case in the link below. So there you go, folks. Should we do a follow-up video with some of the most popular pilar cysts, whiteheads, and microscope videos? Leave your comment below.
I've always had trouble sleeping at night. For example, last night I just couldn't sleep. It was about midnight. I took 2 Rest More, and within 30 minutes I was asleep. I didn't wake up at all through the night. I didn't wake up groggy. Check it out.
Rest More is an essential addition to your medicine cabinet for those times you need to fall asleep but can't. Remember, when you just need more rest, get Rest More. Now available on Amazon. Good night.